What's up everyone? We are at this property today. The owners have asked me to do their pathway because when they walk on it to get access to the tank, or when they want to walk to the pool, this little pathway here with all the black dirt on it is getting very slippery. We're going to go right the way around, starting from that corner, run all the way along just that edge, all the way along, out to the tank, and then run along this edge as well, all the way over to this post. And they have also asked if I can do the stepping pavers to the pool, because as you can see they are a little bit dirty as well, especially these ones, these end ones that don't get as much sun. Some nice camellia plants for all you gardeners out there. Oh, let's get a crack on. Yeah, we might be in for a bit of rain, hey? Looks pretty impressive. Hang on, let's go around and get a better view, shall we? Hey, I reckon a bit of rain heading our way. Oh, this part is done. All the way along here. So, and the top part of the puzzle is done. We're just going to give from here back another go over. Then we're going to call that a day. Do all along here, all along that edge tomorrow, and we're going to do all in here as well. So let's get going. Happy with today's effort. Hang on, let me just shut this off. Just letting it idle down, cool down a bit. There we go, that's a bit better. So, got a little bit of this job done. Did the sides, down this edge as well. So I'm just going to run down this black strip along here tomorrow, and because there's such a stark contrast now between this side and this side, I'm going to run down that patch tomorrow as well, all the way to the end. But there's a lot of thunder right now, so I think that is us for the day. See ya.